Alright friends, we have a question on algebra and it's related to age questions. Okay, it's adapted from St. Nicholas 2022 primary 6 paper. Bradley is 5k years old right now. In 8 years time, Bradley will be 4 times as old as Haley. Find Haley's age in 8 years time in terms of k. Given that k is 12, find Haley's age now. So for part A, we know that right now. Okay, Bradley is 5k years old. What happens in 8 years time? Bradley will age by 8 years. So you just have to add another 8 years to his lifespan, right? And they mentioned that in 8 years time, this age of Bradley will be 4 times as old as Haley. So what is Haley's age then? It will be 5k plus 8 divided by 4, right? Because this guy is 4 times, so this will be 4 units. This will be 1 unit. Okay, so another way to actually look at this is you can use a unitary method. So 4 units is 5k plus 8. Then you just need to find 1 unit, which is for Haley. So 5k plus 8, everything over 4. Okay, put your brackets here. This is the answer for part A. Now for part B, given that k is 12, find Haley's age now. So I can change this k to 12. So 5 times 12 plus 8, everything divided by 4. 5 times 12, 60. 60 plus 8 divided by 4. 68 divided by 4. 17 years. Okay, so this part here, Haley is 17 years old here. But I'm asking for now. So now means you need to backtrack 8 years. Okay, you need to backtrack by 8 years. So 17 minus 8. And we will know that Haley is 9 years old right now. Final answer for this question, 9 years old.